So I'm going to start recording. So it is about science is an adventure. Um, now, science is an adventure, and it's about learning the different ways of finding information. How do we do science? Well, a lot of it is an exploration to literally go, oh, I wonder what happens if I press that. And that's the really cool thing about physics. Actually, that's a really cool thing about science. So what I've done is I've selected on PhET. The link is here. Um, and you hover over there and you go to PhET. And I'm just going to, before I show you where that goes to, there's a worksheet here. It's all written out for you. Let me just expand it out. So I've created this worksheet. So it gives you a guide as to what to do. Now, your name goes here. Well, it really doesn't have to. You can put it like we usually do at the top. So choose your simulation. I've put the link in. I'm going to show you what it does. I want the name of the simulation you choose, why you chose that particular one. You've got to take screenshots. All right. And there's the first question: what do I already know about this topic? It may be nothing. And if it is nothing, I don't mind. So in each PhET simulation, you can change things. And can you predict what's going to happen? So this is, and it hasn't come out very, very well, but we've done enough to know that if I want to change this to a table, I'm just going to add, I'm going to type in table. There we go, tables. I can put a table here, and we can change it. We've done this. So here we've done a table before, and you can change it. You can add this table there. What I changed, what happened, why I think it happened, and again, it doesn't have to be complete. And it doesn't have to be the first time either. Charlotte, darling, can we stay on task, please, sweetie? Now, um, so after you've filled that in, what did you discover? What are the most interesting thing that I discovered? Is there a pattern or a relationship I noticed? Did anything surprise you? How does this connect to the really real world that you experience? Right. Now, I want 3 screenshots at least of what you've been doing, right? I want a drawing, if you can, to explain the main concept, right? And a little 1-paragraph summary of what you did. Okay. If you still got any questions, write your questions. Right? Okay. So in the share with the classmates, you don't have to because we're on Miro and everyone can see this. Right? And reflection, on a scale of 1 to 5, how much did I enjoy the exploration? The main physics concept I learned about was one way I could use this knowledge in real life. That's a tough one, and I like that one. And I like to add that because a lot of people can't relate science in a classroom to science in real life. And what does it lead on to? Is there something else I'd like to explore with this simulation? Are there anything else that I would like to do? And for me, I think there's a real link between language, and I've said it from day one. Science is a language and you're learning new words. So I'd like 5 words from your PhET simulation that you think, ooh, that's interesting, didn't know that. Okay, didn't know what that word was. Now, going back to here, there's the link. You hover over it, it sends you the link. Once you go to it, you end up here. There's 63 results. You've got buoyancy basics, you've got a generator. I love this kind of stuff. You've got magnets, nucleus, projectiles. I love that. That's like shooting cannonballs and stuff. We've done my solar system. We had a look at that. Sound waves are cool. Kepler, Johannes Kepler was awesome. Optics, this is tough. Geometric optics is really tough. Not that it's hard to understand, it's just weird drawing them. That's a year 11 topic. I don't mind if you do that. I'm not going to turn around and say, oh, you can't do that because you're year 7. Pick what you want. Normal modes, I don't know what that is. Well, worth looking into. Making waves, awesome. You got a collision lab, gravity force and basics. Curves, this is a little bit of maths. This is a bit mathsy. It's about, how lines of best fit work. Energy skate park. Oh, that's cool. So you've got all these different ones. Pick yours. Take your time. All right. Okay. So I am now going to stop recording the